Hi there, Valerie Chodine here. And have you ever had this happen? You get this beautiful notebook and you open the box and it's so amazing, so beautiful. And then it's hard to start in it because it seems so pristine. And so I was thinking, what helps me start in my journal? And one thing is to know what you want it to be about, but sometimes I don't. And in that case especially, I try and remember to be like a child. You've probably heard the quote by Pablo Picasso, "Every child is an artist. The problem is staying an artist when you grow up." So I thought I'm going to invite my granddaughter over, and I love to see her make art, and she just jumps right in. So thanks for coming. And we put out a few things. She's chosen a sticker page to kind of spark her imagination from this book. So you can get that page. And then also we look to see, well, is there washi tape to go with it? And then some colored pens. Of course, you could just use black too. And this sticker book is so great because you can just even tear this out. I don't know if you knew that, but you can tear it out like this if you want. So there's the page that you can use. And when I do my journal, what I like to do is these first two pages, I make a pocket, and then I make a title page, and then I start. So if you'd like to, I'd like you to just start and just make what you want on these pages. That's awesome. So how was that?
Good.
Good? Yeah? Did it feel a little bit different because we're on film?
No.
No? I love how you just go for things and start. In fact, sometimes I ask, well, what was easy to do? And so I really appreciate how you do it. And I'm going to add a quote. Not sure which one. Maybe you and I can look over it. And I found it helps to put a quote sometimes when I don't know what to put in my book. Put what someone else wrote makes it easier.
I can write it.
Oh, do you want to write this one? Creativity is Intelligence Having Fun by Albert Einstein. That's awesome. Okay. And then when someone else writes it, you put quotes at the beginning and quotes at the end, and then their name at the bottom. Okay, that was pretty creative, each one in a different color. How do you feel? Good, you have your thumbs up. Okay, is there anything you want to say?
No.
Okay, thank you for joining me. That was very sweet. I will always have this in my journal, remembering you, and I'm going to put one of these quotes on the next page.